Ibrahim Abdullah from Sierra Leone, West Africa, he asks, why Allah uses we for himself in the Qur'an? Most of the languages, there are two kinds of plural. One is the plural of number, and the second is royal plural or plural of respect. And the plural of number is the one that is more commonly used. For example, in the English language, when the Queen of England says, we plan to visit America, or we wish to visit so and so country, so here the Queen of England is using the word we. But here, it is not the plural of number, but it is royal plural or the plural of respect. Similarly, in the Hindi language, when the Prime Minister of India or when the President of India says, hum karna chahte hai, hum, which means we. Now, when the Prime Minister of India is saying, hum karna chahte hai, it is not the plural of number, but it is royal plural and the plural of respect. And any person who's well versed with the English language, he will know, based on the context, that the word used by the Queen of England, we, it is the plural of respect. Similarly, in the Arabic language, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses the word nahnu for himself, referring to himself in the glorious Qur'an, it is not the plural of number, but it is a royal plural or plural of respect. It is singular. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly says in the glorious Qur'an, in Surah Ikhlas, chapter number 112, verse number 1, Qul huwallahu ahad, say he is Allah, one and only. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses the word we, that is nahnu, referring to himself in the glorious Qur'an, it is the plural of respect or royal plural, and it is not the plural of number, but it is singular.